these, so let's see how those work out. Oh, this is so cute. Look how cute these are. I want these. Oh, this is cool too. Look. Everything here is really gonna sound. I'm so happy I found this. I want to get these. It's really cool. See what that is. We found glue, clear glue, so we're getting both of them. Yay. Okay guys, so I just came back from Family Dollar and Stop and Shop, so here's what I got. So I got this Elmer's clear glue, and I got this other Elmer's clear glue. And these both are from Stop and Shop, and from Family Dollar I didn't get anything. But as you saw in the video, I found those little like emoji stress balls, and they were really cool. And also at Stop and Shop, I found these little Easter egg like putty things, and they're really cool too. So yeah, guys. So remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below if you made some video ideas. So bye guys, love you and peace.